Hello people, my name is Vineet Manghnani and I welcome you all to a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So without any further delay, let's get started. So a few weeks ago, I posted a video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup. Now with that lineup, Samsung launched one more phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now the Z Flip has all the specs of a flagship smartphone like Snapdragon 855 processor, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now, with all these flagship specs, it has one more fascinating thing, that is, it folds into half. And this is not the first smartphone which folds by Samsung. Samsung has previously launched the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which had its fair share of problems, which Samsung fixed, and the Galaxy Z Flip looks like a more finished product. Now there were some problems in the Galaxy Fold which were in its screen and the hinge. With the launch of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, it looks like Samsung has learnt from its mistakes which it made while the launch of Samsung Galaxy Fold and has improved in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now Samsung is not the only one launching the folding phones. Motorola has also launched a folding phone which it calls as Moto Razr. Now some of the smaller companies have tried launching their own folding smartphones, but they were not quite successful enough as Samsung or Motorola. But with the launch of these phones like Galaxy Z Flip and the Moto Razr, it looks like more folding phones are going to come in the coming time. Now as a person born in the 90s, the only flip phones I saw while growing up was this. But in today's day and age, I think the meaning of a flip phone is going to change. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do hit the like button. If you want to watch my upcoming videos, do hit the subscribe button. If you have any recommendations or questions, do comment down below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Goodbye guys. Peace.